What's up, future millionaires, and welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the laziest way to make some serious cash online, and I'm talking up to $500 a day. The best part? You don't need any experience, you don't need any special tech skills, and you definitely don't need a huge budget to start. All you need is a laptop and the desire to make money while you sleep. I'm about to show you a simple copy-paste blueprint using the power of an eye that anyone, and I mean anyone, can follow. So, get ready to change your financial future, because this is the one you've been waiting for. Let's dive right into the concept. We're talking about creating and selling AI digital products. Think ebooks, social media templates, coloring books, stunning digital art, or even travel guides. The reason I call this the laziest way to make money is because of the beautiful principle of create once, sell forever. You do the work one time, and that single digital file can be sold over and over and over again, earning you passive income 24/7, even while you're on vacation. No inventory, no shipping, no headaches. It's a pure profit machine, and AI is your secret weapon to build it faster than ever before. Okay, let's talk tools. This is where the magic happens. Your first tool is ChatGPT. This is your personal ghostwriter that works for free. You can ask it to write anything for you. For our example, let's create a digital travel guide. You can literally tell ChatGPT, write a 50-page travel guide for a 7-day trip to Tokyo, including daily itineraries, budget tips, and must-see attractions. Within minutes, you'll have a complete book written for you. Next, you need visuals to make your product pop. For that, we use AI art generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. These tools can create breathtaking images from a simple text description. You could say, create a beautiful watercolor-style cover image of Tokyo Shibuya crossing at sunset, and boom, you have a professional-looking cover for your ebook. You can use these tools to create illustrations for every chapter, making your digital product look like it was designed by a high-end agency. It's all copy and paste. Now that you have your amazing digital product, where do you sell it? You have a few fantastic options. Marketplaces like Etsy are perfect for creative products like digital art, planners, and templates. Gumroad is another amazing platform that's super easy to use for selling ebooks and guides. And for the big leagues, you can use Amazon KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing to get your ebook in front of millions of customers on the world's biggest online store. And here's the pro tip. Use ChatGPT again to write your product descriptions, your sales copy, and even your SEO keywords to help customers find you easily. The AI does all the heavy lifting. So how do you get to that $500 a day goal? Let's do the math. It's simpler than you think. If you create a high-quality digital product, like our Tokyo travel guide, and price it at a reasonable $20, you only need to make 25 sales a day to hit your goal. That's it. 25 sales. Across platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Amazon, with millions of daily visitors, that is totally achievable, especially when your product looks amazing thanks to AI. The more products you create, the more streams of income you build, and the faster you'll reach and even surpass that goal. Look, the opportunity is right here in front of you. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-smart strategy. Consistency is the key. The time is going to pass anyway, so you might as well spend it building something that pays you. It's time to stop endlessly scrolling and start earning. If you want more daily wealth hacks just like this one, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications for the Babalian Money Show. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.